Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone can share location. This matters because Bigo reads system GPS as its source. Once done, open Bigo Live and confirm you're logged in so changes attached to your account. Next, go to Android settings, choose apps, find Bigo Live, and tap permissions. Allow location access if it's off. This step lets the app detect or accept location changes. Make sure app-level location is set to while using the app, unless you need background updates for streaming features. Now, inside Bigo Live, navigate to Settings and find the Location or Privacy section so you can override default behavior. You will see options to use GPS, select a city manually, or toggle nearby broadcasting. Choose Manual to set a different region. Once you pick a city or PIN, the app may prompt for confirmation. Accept it so your profile and broadcasts reflect the new location. If you need repeated changes, use manual selection each session to avoid automatic GPS resets. Finish by restarting Bigo Live so the server and app sync with your new setting. This ensures feeds and nearby lists refresh correctly. If the location won't update, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove stale data, and then reapply the chosen city. Also, make sure any VPN or mock location tool is off. Those interfere with location validation. If problems persist, toggle device location off and on, then repeat the manual selection. That often forces a clean update and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.